Find the value of x and y in the figures below. There's something big jumps out at me right away. First, these are two parallel lines. So whenever I see parallel lines, I'm going to look for angles that are congruent. And sure enough, this 2x plus 8 angle is going to be congruent to the 3x plus 60 angle because they are corresponding angles. In addition, the 2x plus 8 angle is going to be equal to the y plus 10 angle because they are vertical angles. And also the 3x plus 60 angle and the y plus 10 angle are going to be congruent because of alternate interior angles. So we got a lot of stuff that's equal. Essentially everything on here is equal. So what we need to do is figure out what would be the smartest to start with. And I'm going to tell you right now, you don't want to involve angles that have different variables. So why don't we start with the corresponding angles? We know that 3x plus 60 will be equal to 2x plus 80 because they are corresponding angles, so they'll be the same measure. Let's subtract 2x from both sides, and I'll get x plus 60 is equal to 80. And then I'll subtract 60, and I'll get that x is equal to 20. After you get x is equal to 20, you can now go back and figure out what these angles are. So if x is 20, then 2 times 20 plus 80 would be 40 plus 80 is 120 degrees. So this angle is 120 degrees. And so is 3 times 20, which is 60, plus 60 is also 120. So your final step is to now figure out what y is. Well, y plus 10 is also equal to that 120 degrees. So minus 10 minus 10, y is equal to 110.